Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze FMCG sector. So I think the current market condition is not at all good for investing and for trading. So that we should go defensive a bit for some time so that we can edge our portfolio from losses. So right now the FMCG sector is ready to give a fantastic return to its investors. So taking long positions for long term is also fine. Taking entries for trading is very good for very short term. So it's good to trade in FMCG stocks of Nifty. So now let's analyze FMCG index to check whether the index is bullish. So let me draw the major and important trend line that govern this so far. So I have left this high here because if we connect that high, we can't touch more points in the graph. So more the points, the more valid it is. So I wish to consider this trend line because it has touched almost 6 times here. So it's good to consider this right now, and we can consider this trend line as a good resistance trend line for FMCG sector. So for now it's a breakout, and it's a good breakout because look at the huge candle here. So it's a abnormal candle, so one can expect Nifty FMCG till a range of 42,000 points. So it's very easy for FMCG to attain this. So many stocks have gave a breakout from their long term range. So now it's really good to go long in FMCG stocks. So if you want me to do analysis of FMCG stocks, kindly suggest us some stocks which you want us to analyze in our style. So kindly comment in the below comment section, or else join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description, and do your own analysis before taking any trade, because the market is already overheated. So we should be cautious on taking trades and focus on the heavy weights of Nifty FMCG and focus on MNC companies which is under Nifty FMCG. Both are also good. So have a defensive bet to hedge your losses in your small cap and mid caps. So now let's analyze whether the index is bullish on daily chart. So this is the daily chart. The index is above the major zone which is followed since 2018, and now it's bullish because after a good retracement the index started moving higher. And now let us draw a major trend line that govern this index. So this could be a major resistance trend line. So currently the index is facing the resistance without any doubt. So now it's not very good for going long, but I think this will take a retracement till 37,200 or 37,000 points. So after that it will start move higher. So taking positions above the 3900 of index is very good, and consider HUL, Britannia and some of the FMCG stocks, and avoid ITC. So consider some other stocks for good and short term returns, and consider Dabur and all those stocks. So comment us some stocks in the below comment section which you need us to analyze in our style. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos.